We continue with some examples. This example is saying, given that OAB, this is O, we have our A and also B. Actually, you can see it. This is a triangle. It says it's an equilateral triangle. So when you talk about an equilateral triangle, it is a triangle which has equal sides and also equal angles. So meaning angle B, angle A, angle O there, and also the sides or the angles are the same and also the sides are the same. What are we trying to say? If they are the same, and what you should know is that angles in a triangle add up to 180. So this means that we can know angle B, we can know angle A, we can know angle O by saying 180 divided by 3. Because this angle here is 180. Because there are 3 angles, or a triangle has got 3 angles. So we can do that to find the angles which are in these angles of this triangle, because it is an equilateral triangle. Now the question is, find the bearing of A. We have A from O. So where is our A? We are able to see the A, where the A is. Then we have B. The B is O from A. We find the O from A. Then we have, again, we find another one which will be question number C, B from O. Question number D is A from B. So let's see how these questions can be worked out. So now we start by finding question number A. So now we have the question number A says A from B. A from O. We are finding A from O. So we draw our O. Our O is here. Then we have the north there. Then we have the A. So this means that we are moving the direction from there, from the O up to point A. We are moving the direction from O up to point A. Mind you, we have another line there which has been named as a 90 degrees. So this means that just this angle alone is 90 degrees. Then we have another angle here which is remaining in order to form a bearing of A from O. This angle here, it is this angle there, which is 20 degrees. So therefore, our A from O is equal to 90 degrees plus 20. So the final answer will be 110 degrees. And the final answer will be 110 degrees. So this is what we have. Now we go to question number B. Question number B, we are finding the bearing of O from A. So as usual, we are going to have our O. Our O is somewhere here where we have O. And we have the north there. Then we have our A. Our A is somewhere here. So the O from A, this means that at A, we are going to draw our north. Our north like this. This is the north we are going to have. Then we put our north there. Then we can even extend it like this. Then we move now clockwise, not until we meet line OA. We move clockwise, not until we meet line OA. Now, just this straight line here. Remember from the previous video, we said this line here is 180. This line is 180 now, meaning we are remaining with this. What angle is this? So we are going to say 180 plus x. What angle is this? So we have to know this angle. Now, there's another principle. Of course, we can use the principle for the previous video, but we have the principle which says opposite angles are equal. So this means that this angle here, from here up to here, it is the same as this angle here. This means that this angle we found there on A, it is the same as this angle we are looking, which has been represented by x. So this means that we are going to say 180 degrees plus, instead of putting x here, since this angle here is known, this angle is 110. So we are going to say 180 plus 110. And our final answer, we are going to say 0 plus 0, we have 0. 8 plus 1, we have 9. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So our answer will be 290. So we are going to say, therefore, we're going just to say, therefore, O from A is equal to 290 degrees. A from O from A is 290 degrees. 290 degrees is the answer for question number B. Now we go to question number C. So as usual, you can pause your video and resume after you are done with the copying. So question number C, we have B from O. So as usual, we are going to draw our O. I'm sure we know where our O is. Has got the north there. Then now we have our B, because our O is like this. Then we are going to have our B is also like this. This is where our B is. So the bearing is B from O. B from O. So at O, we draw the north, which is there. Then we move clockwise direction, not until we meet line OB. Now remember, this one has this, which is the A, and also it has this, which is this one is 90 degrees. So we have 90 there, which is 90 plus, this is 20, then plus, what is this? What angle is this? Remember from what we were discussing earlier on, we mentioned by saying that this is an equilateral triangle, meaning for us to find an individual angle, we say 180 divided by 3, and it gives us 60. So this means that this angle here is 60 degrees. So therefore, the answer will be 90 plus 20 plus 60. Or, because 90 plus 20, we already got it by saying 110. So it will be 110 plus 60. And our final answer will be 170 degrees. The final answer will be 170 degrees. So to formalize it, we'll say the bearing. Okay, you can say bearing of B from O is equal to 170 degrees. 170 degrees. This is what we are going to have. Let's go to the next question, which is question number D. So as usual, you pause, you finish copying, then you resume your video. So the last question is the bearing of A from B. Of A from B. This is our A. Then this is our B. This is our B. And this is our A. So they are saying A from B. This means that we draw our north at B. Our north will be like this. This is our north there. Then we move this direction. What angle is this? Remember, our B, the whole lot of B, maybe I do this, the whole lot of B from O, somewhere there, the whole lot of this is 60, angle 60. Now, meaning to know the bearing of B, of A from B, we have to say 60 minus, okay, minus the angle which is here, this point there. So that is what we are going to do. Now, how can we know this? Since this is our O, we can use the principle of opposite angle. What am I trying to say? I am saying this angle here and this angle here are the same. This angle there and that angle there are the same. Now, how are we going to know this angle? This angle here can be known by saying the whole lot of this up to here. Because this is a straight line, it is 180. It is 180, meaning from here up to there, it is 180. Now, we are just finding from the previous question, which is question number C, we have just found from O up to B, we found that the answer of that angle is 170. This means that if the whole lot of the straight line is 180, and from here up to here is 170, meaning the remaining angle is 180 minus 170 degrees. And the answer we are going to have is 10. So this means that this angle here is angle 10. So, having known that this is angle 10, it is the same as, this means that angle O, B, and N, I mean this O and this B and this N there, it is also 10. Now, if this is 10, meaning the remaining angle which we are looking for, which is the bearing of A from B, it will be, it will be 60 minus 10 degrees. So therefore, we are going to say bearing of A from B is equal to 50 degrees. So the normal way of putting, since bearing are in 3 digits, we are going to include a 0 there. So this marks the end to our example. Thank you so much for watching. Let's have other questions which comes under bearing in our next video. Thank you.